What's going on, YouTube? Today we're heading out to Deweese Reservoir in Colorado. We're gonna chase some trout. It's cold as heck outside, 2 degrees right now. So we'll see how the fishing is. Should be a pretty good day though. Stay tuned.
Oh, nice one or what?
I think it's a nice one. Okay. Right. Come on, baby. Oh!
You got off?
Yeah, he spit the hook. Where's that your line?
That's mine.
Why am I stuck on your shit?
How are you stuck on mine?
Dude, I had a fish. Wait, was it pulling?
No.
Well, caught one. First one of the day. Secret weapon. Can't really tell you about it, but it worked. There she goes.
Slap him in the fucking head.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, there we go. Oh, and your spit. There we go. Fish number 2. Fish on.
Monster. Put your fish on your record. Good.
There she is. Alright.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Nice one. There we go. You doubled up?
Yeah.
Oh, doubled up. There we go. We
Oh, he just came off.
Oh, shit.
Son of a bitch. Wow, that's crazy. That'd been cool, hey?
Yeah. Oh, this is a nice one, too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Oh, my God. The fucker's pulling. Oh.
Big one?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, this is a nice one. All right, girls. Here we go. Oh,
You got it on camera?
Yeah. Oh, he's running.
Is it a nice one?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I can't believe
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Yeah, it's not a bad one. I mean, not as big as other ones, but
Oh, come on, fucker.
still a nice one. He's got length on him.
Still away from the hole.
Dude, I can't believe that. We had doubles and all of a sudden mine just came off. I think right now.
You fucker. Slimy, slippery.
Whenever you can, you could throw that back in the transducer whenever you're able to.
There he is. I'm gonna eat him.
You keep them?
Yeah, might as well, right?
That is a nice one.
There we go.
Let me see him when you're done. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, I can't believe that. Can you throw that transducer in?
Yeah.
Man, that's bullshit.
There we go. Okay. Flop around. Perfect hook sets.
Let me borrow your thing quick. I just want to see how far down I am. Oh.
Alright. Fish number, what is it, 5?
4.
6? I think it's 5.
Just your try this real quick.